Well, hi, I'm just doing another lens test. Well, I knew this is my first lens test really for classic lenses. This is a Prinzgalaxy. It's a 2.8 135mm lens. I understand it was made in Japan, but it was actually made for the Praktica cameras, the M42 fitting cameras. Now, it is a manual focus lens, and I did buy an adapter so I can put it on my A7s. Did work fine. Unfortunately, I I'm short-sighted, so it become really difficult for me to focus with it properly. I did get a few really nice sharp photographs with it, so it is a really good lens. It's just not the best thing to try on like a modern camera because you will get bad results with it. Having said that, some of the shots I took were quite good. And don't be misled by the fact it's a 2.8 lens. You, at this focal distance, 2.8 is like it doesn't help necessarily. I was running between f8 and f11 when I took all of my photographs, which you're seeing now. So you can see the quality and the sharpness of what I got, and also there's some slow-mo footage I shot as well near the river where I live. So have a look and see what you think. Let me know what you think about this, because this is it's actually a really nice lens. It only cost £25 on eBay, and it can take some really stunning photographs. Thanks, guys.